Yeah. Wait, show it. Hi.
Hi guys.
New guest, Eva.
Adam and Eve.
Photo.
Wait, I know.
Wait. Bro, why were you were talking about the Bible?
Yeah, I know how to.
Wait, I wanna show them. Bro, let me show them.
Then just show it. There you go.
Monkey.
Let me open it, bro. I know it way better than you.
Bro, this
So skibidi.
guy keeps snitching. I mean snatching.
I like my cheese drippy. The heck?
I like my cheese moldy, bro.
Get out!
What?
Yeah.
Boys.
Bro thinks he's him. Bro thinks he's him.
No.
I'm gonna, after this, I'm gonna go play fish. What level are you? 90. So skibidi. I have no life. So what do we do first, man? I wanna do the glitter.
Broski, you can't do that.
Oh, wait,
not
wait,
yet, not yet, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys so really good.
This.
Not
No,
yet.
this first. I know the direction, boy. This first.
I wanna do it.
I am Amir.
Bro built different.
my
Bro ain't built different.
My gosh, man, I forgot it was cold.
Let me do it. Let me open it for you. Let me open na lang. Ay, naku.
Yeah.
Never
Bro,
mind.
do it.
Just dip the whole thing. There you go.
Yo, who created the slime?
So skibidi.
Like you. Ah. Oh,
Neho,
some active.
Chania. You're just blocking the screen. You're just blocking the screen.
Bro, they can't see it.
Just to get better view.
There you okay, there you go.
Yo, this is kind of weird.
Like it.
Wait, I feel like I know this experience.
How is it still going?
My gosh, man.
Why is it still going?
You know what? You know what?
Frick. Some activator went on the ground.
Oh no.
This is gonna be a problem, bro.
It's coming out.
We take turns on the glitter.
It is glitter.
No,
What the
that one.
Bro really called that glitter. Is
That's
you?
very glue.
No. Oh.
Yeah.
No. Wait.
Can I do
Daddy,
it?
let me do it because
Let
this
Kyrie
might
do
get,
it, bro.
this might get on your fingers.
Who cares?
Just
That already happened.
Okay, then what next?
Glitter.
Oh,
We need to
damn.
mix it.
Damn.
We need to mix it.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it with my hands.
No bad words. Bad words very bad. Oh, come on.
Come here.
Jamal.
What the skibidi?
Just say what the skibidi.
Oh my god, man. Feels so weird. It already is slime, bro.
What the?
We just need some more activator. Let me do it.
There's no activator left.
No, Kyrie, let me do it because. all over
Are you
your
sure
hands.
you called the slime?
I
Yeah.
got the glitter just
Trust
to
the
let you
process. Kyrie, let me do
know. I
it.
got the glitter. I'm trying to open it.
Kyrie.
Not yet.
Wash your hands.
I'm trying to open. Okay. I'm trying
Wait,
to
let
open
me
the
touch
glitter.
it so it can get off.
I opened it.
Or it just made it worse.
Kyrie, you just made it worse.
Yung glitter fell.
Kyrie, you just made it worse. Okay po.
I got the glitter.
Oh my gosh.
Not yet.
When do we put it?
Not yet.
Okay. I wait.
Trust the process.
Okay.
You're impatient.
Very so skibidi.
Wait the process.
No, trust the process.
Skibidi.
Why is it so thick?
Because that's slime.
Si Banek.
Why? It said mix with anything.
Makes sense though.
Can I mix it? Can I mix it with my hand? Because mix with everything.
Ang gagawin mo dun sa ano? Slime.
Huh?
Ang gagawin mo sa Megamon.
But what are the
Window shopping.
window shopping?
Pautahin mo si Tita Tess. Marami kang pera, pautahin mo si Tita Tess.
I have my own money, my friend.
Ha?
Binili na niya ng medyas kahapon yung pera niya.
I still have.
Eh, naay, nag-massage. Pera man siya.
There is still have slime.
Okay. Gooey.
Ano yung ginagawa mo? Kutsa nga na. O kaya something.
It said mix with anything.
Eh, natindahin.
Oh wait, Kari, get that. They can't even see it. See, look at it. Look at it, guys. It's so sticky, thick. Then it must be done. No, it's still.
Yan, malapit na. You just mix it. Mix it. See, that's why it's not on the hands. It's taking on your hands. Sa house natin ha, yun yung hindi natatanggap.
It did not say mix it with anything. It just simply mix the pepper.
I don't care. Does it look like a carrot? No.
Tell me when do we add the
Okay, just add it now. I can just mix it with
Do
it.
I add all?
Yeah. Not all. Give me a chance.
Sorry.
Next time we will roll this.
But you can still play with the slime.
Yes.
It's sticky.
But the problem is, where do you put it?
I don't know.
In the container.
What container? Kari, no. Kari, it's sticky. I'm just still mixing it.
Parang ano yung sipon.
Yeah, just play with the slime, Kyrie.
Just boogers. Kari, no. It's getting on my finger.
How many? Ay, boy, Kyrie! Yung remote mo. Ay, naku.
I can remove that. Oh my god. Can we just play with it? Kari, no. They can't even see it. Kari, I'm still doing something. Mixing it. Kari, I'm still mixing it. Kari, just wash your hands. Still doing. Wash my hands, that's a waste.
Oo. Igiba mo sa kanya. Bigay mo kay Moses. Moses, hawakan mo yung kamay niya. Sa idin mo yung nasa kamay niya.
Wait, Kari, give me your
Ilahin
hand.
sa kanya mga kamay. Yan, ganyan. Like that.
I'm back. Kyrie, you still have one more chance. Yan. You have one more chance. There you go.
Boing. Bubbles. You please have the bubbles.
Babagyan mo mga kamay tayo rin. Wash your hands. Antay mo mag-buo. Yan mo mag-buo ni Moses.
Skibidi.
Hey, you trying to steal my pizza? Your pizza's ready finally.
How can we play with it, bro? Wait. And plus, they can't even see it. It's on the side.
Then move the top there.
Yeah, because I can't do anything.
Mamakit ang mami.
You can't do anything, then how you moving your hands?
There are more still in your hands. Diyan siya sa coach na tayo. Dali tayo sa dating mo. Ang ganda yan.
Someone likes pasta. How is it?
Harap. Ano, natutuyo ba yan? Oo.
You gotta check out the world's largest McDonald's. You want to try pizza, omelets, pasta. Okay.
Gary, you know the slime's on the remote?
Huh?
The slime's at the remote.
And we could just wash the remote. Duh.
Alis dyan, alis.
Alright, thank you, man. Go. No more McDonald's fun. Are you sitting on the wall?
Is the slime just
Doon kayo sa
the
ano, sa sahig ba?
Yeah.
okay.
Wait, I'm making it not slimy.
Alis.
Just keep playing with it, I guess.
Kaya kuha ka ng ano, ng tissue. Ito tissue. Dali, mamumura tayo ng dali mo. Bakit pa sa dali mo? Get a tissue.
Sometimes the hole in the wall there's an actual hole in the wall here. This is why hot chips and sauce.
Ginagawa.
I think that
650. 700 pala.
this is why you don't get
Bago nga ito. Iga. Bago ito.
a six.
Sige, yung akin isa lang ang bayo. Tsaka yung brown. Ikaw.
This place has to be.
Ala ay naggawa ng slime ang mga akidin.
We got a record advertisement. We're gonna try it.
What? Happened.
What?
Brick and mortar spot. Salt.
Ay, tak sa video.
Slimy.
This is the Tutti Frutti peanut butter. Yeah, no.
Hindi. YouTube na yan. Tama na yan. Baka kayo makapatak sa ating ano. Mahal pa kay ano nga na rin. Dati, i-tiklopin mo na yung ano. Pinaglatit.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.